Today we're doing a blind buy unboxing of Marley Fragrance Simmer Down by Michael Malul. Alright folks, we're doing a blind buy unboxing Simmer Down by Marley Fragrances, Michael Malul. I know a little bit about this, but I have purposely not looked at the notes, so this is like a true blind buy unboxing. I kind of have an idea of what it smells like just from like accidentally reading the internet stuff, but I haven't looked at like the particular notes and things like that that are on the box right here that I've been like staying away from and trying so hard not to read. So this is going to be a pretty much a true blind buy unboxing here because I haven't smelled it before. So we're going to be doing this together here today. And I appreciate y'all tuning in today. If you could like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Do you have this already? Do you have any of the others in the Marley fragrance line? That there's like 6 of them, I believe. And I think most of them are unisex. Some of them lean masculine, but I think most of them are unisex. From what I read, this one is a unisex one as well, so this is good for the men and the ladies. Maybe it leans a little more masculine. We're going to try to find that out today when we open this bad boy up here in just a second. So here's the box right here. It's pretty standard for Michael Malul. They all come with like these 2 little patches of stickers right here on the side, so you can tell if it's sealed or not. It doesn't have, none of these ever have like cellophane on them. They always have like these 2 little tabs over here, so you can tell if it's sealed or not. And this one is, it hasn't been opened up. Bought this on eBay, 70 bucks, 65, 70 bucks, something like that. 65, 75 bucks, somewhere in there. So it's very reasonable. It's not expensive at all. And I found a good buyer on eBay, a couple of good buyers on there that sell Michael Malul fragrances in particular, like at a good price. So yeah, you can get this for a very reasonable price. You just have to look for it a little bit and make sure you're not buying from some scumbag selling fakes. Luckily, all the ones I've gotten have been legit. So I'm lucky in that aspect for sure. But these are great fragrances. Michael Malul has a great line. All of his fragrances are good, that I've smelled at least. I'm sure that there's probably a few that are probably not that great, but all the ones I have, they smell pretty good. So for the money, ain't no complaints from this guy right here. But we're going to open this up right now, and I'm going to, without slicing my finger open with this Kershaw knife, which is awesome, by the way. So, alright, here we go. First look here. There we go. That's what it looks like fresh out the box. I have opened up I have 4 of these Marley fragrances, and I've opened up one. So the other 3, we're all going to do blind buy unboxing all this, on the rest of them, the other 3. But this is the bottle. It's like a yellow liquid in there, and they all have that nice wooden top there. Snaps off. It's got the Marley on the, I'm sure you can't see that, but it says Marley right here on the top here. And this snaps in real nice. You can actually hold it by the top here, which is good because it snaps in pretty good. So it's a good sturdy bottle, good glass. It's nice thick glass. They did a good job with the design on these. I like them a lot. But this is, like I said, I've got 4 of these. I've got Lights Down Low, Simmer Down, Place of Peace, and Mellow Moods over there. We'll do videos on those for long. So yeah, I've heard good things about this one right here, and I'm gonna do it on skin today. We're going all in, baby. So we're gonna give this a try and see what it's all about. The Lights Down Low, I have smelled that one, and it's amazing. It smells really good. I like it a lot. We'll do a review on that one too. But this is Simmer Down, Marley. Let's give it a spray here, see what this bad boy does. Ah, nice pressurized atomizer. They have great atomizers with Michael Malul. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Fruity, right off the rip, fruity. A nice fruity though. I'm trying to pick it out without looking at the notes to see what the fruit is. Spicy, fruity. Very nice. I like it. I was scared because I heard it had a fruity tone to it, and I was scared it was going to be like feminine because I don't like fruity stuff that much. So I was scared this was going to be like one of the ones that were too fruity and tutti fruity, and but it's not so far. No, don't get me wrong, it's got a nice little fruit scent, but it's not overwhelming. It's not like Herba Pura from Xerjoff. It's in that same probably. It's in the Xerjoff Herba Pura lane probably, but this isn't as intense as that one, which is good because that one's over the top in my opinion. Very nice. Yeah, it's just got lots of fruit, citrus, spicy is what I'm getting here. And I just did a video the other day on a very good fragrance for vacations, Bohemian Lime by Goldfield and Banks. And this one's right there with that, with like what I'm getting off this, the vibe I'm getting is like this would be a really good like beach vacation fragrance. This would be really good to have at the beach when you go to the beach. It's giving me really good like tropical beach vacation. Don't give a damn. I'm going to go get hammered tonight. Go throw down in the club vibe right here. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice. Especially if you like a fruity scent, you're going to like this a lot. I'm going to look at the notes just to see how... Okay, before I look at them, I'm going to guess bergamot. Because a lot of citrus fragrances have bergamot. Not all, but a lot. So that's just like a shot in the dark at what a lot of citrus fragrances have is bergamot. So I'm going to guess that. And it has fruity in there. So I'm going to guess mango maybe. And it's got a little bit of spice in there. I don't know. Maybe some cinnamon. Very nice. Okay, so let's look at the notes here. I've got my computer here. Let me scroll down. I have it up, but I hadn't looked because I'm not cheating. Okay, yeah, and so I nailed like the accords, like it's a spicy citrus woody. That's what the Fragrantica is saying here. Floral fruity. So I haven't really gotten the wood yet. This is more fruity, citrusy, and floral, I would say. I can get the floral in there. So let's see what Fragrantica is saying they have. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Bergamot. That's the first note they say on here. Ooh, they got some different ones. I have not heard of these. Star Apple. Have you heard of that? That's the new one for me. I have not. That smells good. That's probably what I'm smelling. It smells a little different than like the Bohemian Lime and the Jean Paul Gaultier, Le Beau Paradise Garden. This is the same lane as that as well. And this is a little different than those. And Star Apple, I guess, is one of the lead top notes here. So I guess that's why it smells in the ballpark of those, but a little bit different. So Star Apple, nice. And it's got pear blossom. That's probably where a lot of sweetness is coming from too. Is the pear blossom. And ding, 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 cinnamon leaf. It's not cinnamon, it's cinnamon leaf though. So I wonder what the difference in the two are there with the cinnamon leaf and just plain cinnamon. So it looks like your boy here pretty much nailed that. And it has sandalwood and amyris, amberwood, balsam, cardamom. So yeah, I got a couple of notes in there. But this is amazing. It's good. Very good. I like it a lot. This came out, the whole line came out, the Marley fragrance line, which is not Bob Marley, of course. He's been dead forever. He didn't create these, but his estate did. Like his family, they collaborated with Michael Malul to come up with this fragrance line, this 6 fragrances. And they're supposed to like put you in like a certain mood, like chill you out, calm you down, serenity, peace, you know, just like a good vibe. And that's why this one is called Simmer Down. And I can kind of get that now. Because, yeah, it's not like smacking you upside the head, like aggressive. It's real chill. So, yeah, that fits the bill for the Simmer Down with this fragrance here. And like I said, the fragrances, they're all like supposed to like put you in a certain mood or like Simmer Down, place of peace.
mellow mood, lights down low. They're all like chill, and they're all very, or I hear they're all nice. Now this is the second one I've smelled, and I have 2 more to open up here at some point. But the first 2 that I've smelled are amazing. And this is more of a vacation scent than the lights down low. I'm probably more partial to the lights down low a little more than this, just because I'm not as big of a fruity guy. I don't like fruits as much as some other notes. Like, I like citrus a lot, but I'm not real big on sweet fruit stuff. But this is nice. I could rock this for sure. And the vibe I get off this is more honed in towards a younger crowd. Like, I'm in my 40s, and I could pull this off. Hell, anybody can pull this off, really. But I get that this is more of a person in their 20s or 30s that are going to sport this bad boy here. And this is more of a younger crowd fragrance for sure, with the fruity, like, tropical vibe on it. But I mean, anybody can pull it off. Hell, I'm going to wear it tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice though. If you like fruity, tropical like scents, you need to check this one out. Simmer Down by Bob Marley, or by Marley Fragrance. His estate, they collaborated with Michael Malul to make these, and it's a good line, man. The first 2 I've smelt have been like bangers, so give it a try for sure. Marley Fragrance is out since 2025, a fairly new. I think it's right at a year now it's been out, so it hadn't been out a long time. But they knocked it out of the park with these first 2 I smelled, Lights Down Low and Simmer Down. We'll do a review on Lights Down Low here soon. It's a really good one. You'll like that one too, hopefully. I mean, I shouldn't tell you what you're going to like. Hopefully you like it too as much as I do. There we go. Can't tell you what the hell you like because I don't know. But anyway, this is a very nice one. Give it a try if you haven't. Tell me what you think about it. Have you already tried it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Does it remind you of another fragrance I would want to give a try? So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you have any other fragrances for me to check out. And let me know what you think about this. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good one.